Mabuhay mga savers, and this is your financial educator, Papa Jan. And I will be sharing you some tipid tips, especially if nag-work kayo or empleyado po kayo. Especially po sa mga kaibigan natin na nasa minimum wage earner category. If gustong makatipid, then don't buy foods in work. Instead, magbaon na lang tayo. Imagine guys, just imagine. If gagastos tayo ng 100 to 150 pesos a day per meal, times mo yan sa 5 days. And then times mo sa 4 ulit. Kasi 4 weeks is equals to 1 month. Then mga ka-savers, that is equals to 2,000 to 3,000 pesos a month. So mga ka-savers, magluluto na lang tayo at babaunin natin sa trabaho. In that way, malaki po talaga yung matitipid natin. And meron pa po tayong extra money to save. What do you think guys? Am I making sense? If yes, then follow, like, and subscribe. May God bless you, and may He give you His blessings of abundance.